Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious corned beef recipe, and guess what Vibes fam, it will be a different kind of vibes today. So just sit back and relax and enjoy. Do you see how good that looked? So Vibes fam, comment down below and tell me, do you like this kind of video? Please let me know. But give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.